In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Merchant Center to Google Business Profile. If you want your business information and store presence to work together more smoothly across Google, linking these two platforms is an important step. The process is fairly simple, but it helps to know exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. To get started, go to Google Merchant Center and sign in using the same Google account that manages your Google Business Profile. This part is very important because Google usually only shows the business profile for linking when both services are under the same account. If you use a different login, you may not see the option you need. Once you're inside Merchant Center, look over to the left-hand menu. From there, open the settings area and click on Business Info. This is where Google lets you manage key details connected to your merchant account, including store-related setup options. After that, move to the top of the page and click on the Stores tab. This section is where you can connect a physical business presence, such as your Google Business Profile, to Merchant Center. If your account is set up correctly and managed with the same email, your business should appear here automatically. When you see your business profile listed, select it and click Link. This tells Google that you want to connect your Merchant Center account with that specific business profile. Make sure you choose the correct business if more than one location or listing appears. Taking a moment to confirm this can help avoid confusion later. Once you've clicked Link, the connection may not appear instantly in its final state, so refresh the page if needed. After refreshing, you should see the link store appear under the Stores tab. In many cases, it will show as awaiting Google verification. That's normal, and it means the linking process has started successfully and Google is processing the connection. If you don't see your business profile right away, the most common reason is that the Merchant Center account and the business profile are not being managed by the same Google login. Double check that first before trying anything else. Also, if the page seems slow to update, give it a moment and refresh again. And that's it. Once the store is listed and awaiting verification, you've completed the linking process from the Merchant Center side. From here, Google will handle the verification status, and your business connection will be in place.